Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Eastside by Blanco, Khalid, and Halsey. Now before we can learn this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are E minor, D major, G major, and C major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. The next chord is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Our next chord is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be E minor for 8 beats, D major for 5 beats, G major for 3 beats, C major for 13 beats, and back to D major for 3 beats. Let's play through that strumming pattern now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, up, tap, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern on the E minor chord. Down, up, tap, up, down, up. 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 And now let's apply the strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. Let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Eastside. She used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't set. And every day you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want, drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. We can do anything if we put our minds to it. Take your whole life and you put a line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me your heart cause I ain't gonna break it. So come away, starting today. Start a new life together in a different place of love. It's how all these ideas came to be. So baby run away with me. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my play along ukulele cover. And that's how you play Eastside by Blanco, Khalid, and Halsey. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Sunstar Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.